Did you know that almost every data analysis project can be broken into just 5 Pandas steps? Data loading, inspecting, cleaning, manipulating, and analyzing. In this video, I'll show you how to decode and master the backbone of data analysis with Pandas. Instead of getting stuck in tutorial hell, we will learn the smart and structured way by answering one simple business question. Where are our top 10 markets? Let's get started. First things first, every Pandas project starts with one simple import. Pandas is usually shortened as PD. It integrates seamlessly with NumPy and Python's data ecosystem. Now, let's begin with the first core block, loading our data. Pandas can read data from almost any format: CSV, Excel, SQL, or JSON. Let's start with an e-commerce sales data file called data.csv. The read CSV function loads your data into a data frame. Think of it as a spreadsheet inside Python. Head function shows the first n rows, by default 5, so you can instantly confirm everything loaded correctly. Besides head function, you can also use tail and sample, all powerful functions for quick initial checks on your data frame. And now you can see that our e-commerce data has been successfully loaded into a data frame in Python. But don't rush. Before diving into the business question, inspection is crucial. Pandas gives you quick ways to understand your dataset. Info function tells you how many rows there are, what data types each column has, and where data might be missing. Describe functions summarizes your numeric columns, count, mean, and standard deviation, all in one view. This one is actually my personal favorite because it basically gives a quick statistical summary of all numerical features. From the results, we can see there are 8 variables, 3 of which are numerical. We notice some missing values, especially in customer ID, and some unusual values in quantity and unit price. These issues keep our data messy and lower its quality. The next step is to clean our data. Real-world data is never perfect. Missing values are common. You've probably heard the saying of garbage in, garbage out. If you analyze messy data, you will get messy results, and that leads to poor business decisions. Here's how to handle missing values. With just one line of code, we can clean our data and create a new data frame called eligible cells. Drop null function removes rows with missing values. The argument inside makes sure Python only removes rows with missing customer IDs. A quick pro tip: I always re-inspect my data after each transformation to make sure the results are what I expect. Here you can see I double-checked the missing values in customer ID and confirmed they've all been removed. Now remember, our business question is to find out our top 10 markets. From the earlier inspection, we noticed some negative numbers in quantity and unit price. To get accurate results, we need to filter out these invalid data points. So here, we will filter out all the records with negative quantity and negative price. This step is called data manipulation. This technique, selecting and filtering data by conditions, is called Boolean indexing. Each condition inside the brackets creates a true or false mask. Pandas keeps the rows where both conditions are true. After filtering, don't forget to quickly recheck that the minimum values for quantity and unit price are now above 0. Once your data is perfectly cleaned and structured, analysis becomes effortless. To answer our business question, let's calculate total sales by country. Group by function here splits all rows into different categories, here by country. Then we apply the sum function to calculate the total sales for each country and select the top 10 results. This is called the split, apply, and combine pattern, a common data analysis strategy used daily by analysts and data scientists. With just one line, we can identify our top-performing markets. You just learned the backbone of data analysis with Pandas. Every step we talk in this video transforms a data frame. This is exactly how I work in my daily projects. Just keep this mental map in mind, and everything else will fall into place. And if you found this video is helpful, please hit subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps more people to learn data analysis and Pandas in the smart and structured way. See you soon!